Okay guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be seeing Georgie solve a Rubik's Cube. You just do this and turn the camera. Stop it. Hello? Just going to do it on the other side.
Bro.
This is for the people out there. Oh, there you go. For the people out there who don't know what a Rubik's Cube is, this is what a Rubik's Cube is. And today I'm going to be solving this.
Girl, why'd you just eat it?
And let's see this. Let's do this. How do I do this? There you go. We do like. Oh, come on. Wait. Guys, guys can't see. So we're gonna record this somewhere else. The camera's right there. Okay, here it is. There it is. You guys probably might be wondering, why am I spinning it only like this row? It's because if you actually do this, you actually can get it wrong in a sec. You can actually get it right in a second or minutes. Just wait a few more minutes. How are those YouTubers cut the thingy, and then they and then it just shows how long it's been, but the YouTube's not as long as that. You guys aren't seeing me, so okay, I'll just show you. Nothing really happening. I'm gonna show you solving it the real way. Do this okay. Come right here.
The best thing about living in Big Apple City is there's always something amazing happening.
Guys, we can't figure out how to solve this. I think I'm just mixing it up. So we'll probably do this later. Not. Okay, bye.